Siachen Glacier is located in which range? Karakoram Range. Siachen Glacier, one of the world's longest mountain glaciers, lying in the Karakoram range system of the Kashmir near of the India-Pakistan border, extending for 70 km from north-northwest to south-southeast. ECG used to measure which organ activity? ECG full from electrocardiogram. Answer heart. An ECG is a medical test that detects cardiac, that is heart, abnormalities by measuring the electrical activity generated by the heart as it contracts. The machine that records the patient's ECG is called an electrocardiogram. Study of birds is called as answer ornithology. Chand Minar is located in which state? Answer Maharashtra. Limestone chalk and marble are different forms of answer calcium carbonate. Boxer Tiger Reserve is located in answer West Bengal. What do people in a democratic country expect from the government? People in democratic country expect the government to work for their welfare. Who won the 2018 Football World Cup? France national football team. The light of Asia is also known as Gautam Buddha. A famous classical dance style of Tamil Nadu called Bharatanatyam. It is the oldest classical dance tradition in India. Jana Seva Yojana is related to which state? Karnataka. Swami Dayanand Saraswati is related to answer Arya Samaj. Baitarkonika National Park is located in which state? Odisha, that is Kendrapada district. What is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes, which is found in the middle ear. And longest bone is femur. What are the water-soluble vitamins? The water-soluble vitamins include ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folacin, vitamin B12, biotin, and pantothenic acid. When is Hindi Divas celebrated in India? September 14 in every year. Kuchipudi is the dance form of which state? Andhra Pradesh. 21 number question is related to word analogy. 22 questions answer is option 2. 23 number question is related to directions. And 24 question is related to letter series. 25 questions is related to sorts. 26 questions is related to volume and area. Who is the present Union Health Minister of India 2021? Answer Mansukh El Mandaviya. Neeraj Chopra is related to which sports? Answer javelin throw. Ravi Kumar Daria is related to wrestling. Mirabai Chanu is related to weightlifting. PV Sindhu women's single badminton. Lovlina Borgohain related to boxing. Indian hockey team hockey. Bajrang Punia wrestling. Article 44 is related to answer Uniform Civil Code. When first Panipat was started? First Battle of Panipat was started in 1526. Second Battle of Panipat was started in 1556. And third Battle of Panipat was started in 14 January 1761. What is the capital of Bhutan? Answer Thimphu. 2022 Oscar nominated movie from India. Answer Kuzhangal. What is the scientific name of vitamin A? Answer tocopherol. Who is the present Chief Justice of India? Answer N.V. Ramana. Which countries are connected through Bandhan Express? Answer India, Bangladesh. Establishment of NABARD? Answer 1982. Who is UNESCO 39th and 40th Navigate site? Rudreshwara Temple and Dolavir. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.